In this video, we bring our BA Falcon drift car back to life, getting it ready for its next drift event, literally ripping out the interior piece by piece in an attempt to make this car as fast as possible for as cheap as possible by getting rid of as much weight as we can. But in the process, we found some things with this car which we did not expect at all. So let's get into the video and see if this actually made a difference. Hey guys, we are finally back at Mems's warehouse. It's been quite some time since we've been here and since we have spent time with this car that's right here, the BA Ford Falcon drift car, which we've literally done one event in. So many messages and comments from you guys asking about this car. It's been sitting for quite some time. What do we have planned for today, boys?
We are going to destroy the interior.
Destroy it.
Destroy it. We're going to do weight reduction to this car. Everyone might ask why, what's the purpose? Lighter car, more wheel spin. Then you can fling the car around more without getting backlash. That's what I'm thinking of. So whenever we threw this car around, you'd always feel like a lag in a way. Yeah, where it would hit you after you've thrown it. Taking that out will definitely help out with going sideways. And
I think it's time we pull this thing out of hibernation, start having some fun in this again. Look at how different Mems's car is. What are you sitting in, bro?
It's like Evo 7 Recaros.
Recaros.
Yeah, they came out of the stage.
Out of the Stagia. And if you guys want to see that car, I'll link it up here. Tuner's Evolution. They got a new Stagia project car. Hear that colour support, you have the keys. We're going to do the honours of starting it. It started. It's the first time this car's ran for quite some time. Alright, so we've got the Ford inside the warehouse, and Mems, what is this beautiful car?
Alright guys, so this is a Nissan Stagia that we bought as a barn find. It's got no motor in it, it's a rolling shell. I'll show you guys. So you guys can see. So there's a bit of imperfections we're gonna fix, but you should have seen it before, man. We did clean this, washed this whole thing, and it came out really well. It came out really, really good. It looks
pretty clean, bro.
Yeah, it came out really, really well.
So these are meant to have an RB25?
RB25, and some of the models come with actually an RB26.
Oh, hectic.
Yeah, so.
Well, if you guys want to see the full build on this car, Tuner's Evolution YouTube channel up here, down below.
Yeah.
At the same time, we've got this project.
We've got something over there.
There's something there, which...
It's in the works.
When's that going to come on the channel?
I don't know, maybe soon. Oh, did I break it? No, actually,
it actually came out.
Look how rusty this thing is,
oh my
man.
God, you're not taking that off.
This is coming off.
There's no way you're
This is coming off.
This is coming out.
This is coming out. WD-40 and it's coming out.
Corroded.
That's coming out.
Brother, what do you think this is? Alright, this floor mat's gonna come out.
Weight reduction, bro. Oh, wow, I just pulled that out with my bare hands. No way.
Use this.
Yeah, don't tell me it's that easy.
They're over there.
It was that easy, bro. No bolts, no nothing, just bare hands. Heavier than I thought. Well, you know where this is going? Oh, there's money! No way. That means this car cost us $1998.50 and care. Oh, that's disgusting. You saved some money on that.
there you go. She's out.
That is insane speed.
We are taking off seatbelts.
But why are we taking the seatbelts out?
Because we don't need nobody in the back.
Yeah, that's right.
If Mem gets us an 18 mil, it will be amazing.
Oh, I got 18!
And then we take off the top parcel tray. Oh yeah, that's not an 18. That's an E-socket. Why give me an E-socket for? Look how clean it is underneath.
I can't find an 18, bro.
Bro, this smells like dog piss in here.
It's like dog hair, like right there.
I reckon a dog's definitely pissing here.
Yeah! Happy.
How do you get it out, Mems?
I like this.
This is like a good 5 kilos.
Just send them, bro.
Yeah, get that here, man. Oh shit.
That was loud. We gotta figure out how to open the boot.
I got it out, boys.
Yes, you got it. Bro, how much crap is in here?
This is gonna fall.
A lot of shit is in here. I think these can go straight to the bin.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, there's crap everywhere. Oh, that's gonna be weight just in there, eh?
Oh yeah.
Wow, it's actually strapped in.
This guy made his own
He made that, eh?
system.
That's pretty cool. Rip this out. That's gonna be so much weight. Oh, wow.
This thing is flat as.
That's huge. The car? Wow.
That's a good how many kilos now, boys?
That was a lot of weight reduction.
Get in.
Just
Other
ripping
side,
it
other
out.
side, other side, other side.
Just...
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, bro, look at all the rust, man. All the rust particles.
Oh, you reckon? Let me just expose all the rust.
Oh my goodness. Wow, bro.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit of rust.
Wow, man. Well, lucky it's just a drift car, not a straighter. Look at the rust all here.
Oh,
That works.
That was like easier.
Jordan, look at the rust here, bro.
Oh, there's a hole there.
Bro, look at this side.
There's a hole here.
Guys, when we picked this car up, they said,
Yeah.
no rust at all. It's been in the family for 20 years.
I don't
That'd
think
be
they'll
nice,
take
bro.
off the door trim to see.
No, they probably won't see that. Yeah. So guys, look at the rust in the back over here, and look at the rust all the way over there. Bro, like, that just speaks for itself.
Just a little bit of rust, you know. But it's all good. At least it's a drift car. It's not going to be registered.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright guys, so the door trim's out. Jordan did this side, and then we did the back seats. The whole back is pretty much done. We're gonna do these seat belts. Headliner. Looks like a full race car now. Left is basically the front end.
Door cards, carpet.
And we'll probably just leave the center console and everything.
Yeah.
WD-40 guys, your best friend. I've run out of WD-40.
That was in there good.
Hey! Yeah!
She's out. What a sequential on a cuz. Oh my god.
Bro, the amount of dust.
Wow, bro.
Yeah, I'm chucking straight to the bin, bro.
Yuck.
Jordan here at the front seat. Chef over there. We've got Hass over there, and we've got Antonio over there.
Chef's bolting her in.
Both are in.
I can't believe this is the pile.
Like, what have we got here, bro?
This is a big pile of crap.
Got the spare tire, got the door cards.
Can you believe that all of this came
That's the
out of
headliner
car?
over there.
I can't believe all this came out of the Ford. Let's have a look. So the seats are in now, obviously. Door trims are out, carpets out, plastics are out, the center console's gone, rear seats, headliner, boot trim, all gone, basically just fully stripped. There's a lot of rust, so that's a great reduction too, you know? So this is less metal in the car. Shit. Alright, first drive. Let's see if we can feel the weight difference in this car. More raw, like look at this. You got all this. It feels like we're actually in a race car, bro.
Right, you see my sequential?
Sequential gearbox?
Sequential?
Sequential gearbox, bro. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot how loud this was, bro. Bro. Can you? I actually felt a difference. Actually kind of threw me back, eh?
Let's go again.
Oh, bro. What the heck?
I was scared it wasn't gonna break.
I don't know if this is a placebo effect or not, but it feels different.
It
like
does.
before, it felt like a boat, like
It's
really
more.
heavy. It just feels like it gets up to speed a bit quicker. Oh man. It's actually a big difference, eh? Yeah. It feels so much different.
It doesn't feel like a boat anymore.
So much better. Give it a brap. Oh, the pops, bro. It's like a full race car, bro. Look at it. What do you reckon, bro?
Full race car. Not bad, bro. I feel like I'm in a drift car.
All right, guys. So I think we're going to call it there for today. We've got the interior fully stripped out.
Feels way better.
Same thing, yeah, it just feels lighter.
I think you guys did a really good job and it's going to be a lot easier for you to drift.
This car made us rich.
We're gonna buy some McDonald's.
Really hope you enjoyed this one on bringing the Ford Falcon back. We've definitely got a lot of sick stuff planned for this car, and we're going to take this thing drifting very soon. So this thing is going to look and feel a whole lot different for the next event. So if you guys enjoyed, as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and we'll see you on the next one.